Hey you guys, welcome back to DOZZY'S Life. On the menu today will be buttermilk chicken fried chicken steaks. And if y'all want to see me do it, stay tuned. So here in my bowl, I have clean chicken, and I'm just going to season it up with my favorite seasonings, a little garlic powder, a little garlic salt, some Szechuan, some seasoned salt, some pepper, you know, all that good, you know what I'm saying? So y'all season it up with whatever you love to season any of your food with, and just go ahead and get that mixed all throughout, in and out that chicken breast. Just go ahead and pour your buttermilk on top of all of that chicken, or you can already have your buttermilk in the bowl and just put your chicken in that buttermilk, and just go ahead and make for sure it is fully submerged. We're going to let this sit overnight. You can do up to 4 to 6 hours, or hey, take a chance and do it right away if you want. You feel me? So here we go. We have our flour here. We're just going to season our flour with the exact same seasoning that we use on top of our chicken. And we're going to make for sure that we get that seasoning all throughout that flour. Just go on ahead and mix it all up together to make for sure it gets all throughout. Now I'm going to go on ahead and add in that Szechuan. All right, so it is ready, and we're going to go on ahead and take our chicken out of this buttermilk and put it on top of that flour mixture, well, our seasoned flour. Now go ahead and put that flour all on top of it, and make for sure that when you put the flour on there that you do press it in. Get it all throughout. This is going to make a beautiful and delicious breading. And just continue on with all of your chicken until you are totally done getting it all floured on up. And don't forget to add a little bit of cornstarch as well to your flour mixture. And look at the chicken, y'all. It is ready for me to fry. Don't worry about the part that looks wet. It's going to be a good cruncher. Okay, so we ain't going to worry about that part. Now we're going to go ahead and put some chicken in this hot oil I have here. Now lay it away. Don't throw it in there. Lay away. Look how crispy it has gotten already, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and get ready to flip this. I just needed for y'all to see how fast it cooks up. It is a breast, so you know they cook very fast. Woo! So let me go on ahead and flip this over so y'all can see. Now if you want to do gravy with yours, you can. Didn't need no gravy, baby. These things is perfect on their own. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the rest of these steaks, and I will be pairing it with some of my potatoes with a delicious creamy sauce that goes with it. I do have a video up for those wedges. Look at that chicken, y'all. Now when I cut it, it's gonna be juicy and white. And I'm gonna have to get off here because, you know, Oh, it's hard to cook and not have a taste, y'all. I am ready. I am ready. Comment down below if you've ever made your own chicken fried chicken. It is the best. Yes, it is. I'm going to go ahead and tear that up. All right, y'all. Hope you enjoy the recipe and leave me a comment if or when you try it. All right, I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.